Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how I heat up marbles using a microwave kiln to heat them up and flatten them into cabochons. Now every marble will be different. It usually requires a warming up period before you turn the power up higher on the microwave to really do the flattening aspect of it. It needs to be warmed up, and then you turn the power higher for the flattening to happen in the marble. Now the marble I'm using today, this is more or less the recipe I have found that it works. I will heat it up for 2 minutes at 50% power before letting it go at 100% power for 11 minutes. And that's what it's taken for these marbles to flatten. And I have a fresh piece of liner for the kiln today. And I like taking the marble and kind of rubbing it into the center to create a divot. So then I know the marble doesn't have a greater chance of rolling around. All right, let's put it in. Set it on that divot we created. Get the lid on. All right, let's see. I think we have to do the time cook first on this because we're setting it to a lower power. Time cook, I want 2 minutes at power 5 and start. Now I'm not going to leave the video playing for this entire time, so I will come back to you after it's been 2 minutes and I will lift the lid and we will see how it looks. All right, it's been 2 minutes on 50% power. I'm putting on my heat resistant gloves. Carefully. See, nothing has, well, I don't know, my arm might be in the way. See, not much has happened, but it is warm. All right. Now I need, according to my notebook, we're going to leave it at 100% power for 11 minutes. And all right, I'm going to let that do its thing for 11 minutes, and then I will be back to show you what it looks like. We're coming down 10 minutes, or excuse me, 10 seconds. All right. It is glowing. I can see it out the vent hole in the top. Let's see if our marble's done. Can you see that? All right, I'm going to put that back on quick. It's done. I have a rack. I like getting my kiln out of the microwave when it's done, and so I'm going to set my rack down. And carefully, this is where these heat resistant gloves come in handy. They're not exactly altogether heat proof, but they help especially when we have to touch the kiln when it's hot. All right, I'm going to let that cool down for a few hours, and then I will be back. It took a few hours for the kiln to cool down, but it's taken 5 hours for the glass to cool down completely. Oops. And there it is. I'm going to clean the shelf liner off the back. Just a second while I rinse that off. Drying it off. Sorry, I dropped it. But there you have it. A nice cabochon to include in any of your stained glass work. To incorporate it, all you would do is grind around the edges and then foil it and solder it like normal. I will look up the company I bought my marbles from, and I'll include it at the end of this video if you're interested in purchasing from them. I hope you enjoyed this little instructional video. If you haven't already, please subscribe and follow me so you're sure to see more videos that I make. Thank you so much. Bye.